Itu ang apa?
What the fuck? Hey, bro, see, like, I had to watch this shit like 3 times because I don't know what the fuck homeboy got going on, bro. Hey, y'all gotta be safe out there because you got niggas like this who just driving reckless and obviously don't give a fuck. That shit was crazy. Can somebody explain to me what the fuck we just watched?
I heard that she follow me, oh, she wants some company, I'm on my way to you.